Hello everyone and welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So giving you guys just an update on gold. From last week, we were looking at a potential break to the upside or to the downside. Pretty much we're in the same situation again. Price is constricting, staying in between these two boundaries here. So I hope you can see that these two lines here that formulate this wedge. So they're really encapsulating price action within these ranges here. So what I want you to pay attention to is this area here and also the time frame and the time space that it's got left between these two converging lines. So what these lines represent is almost a time where price is going to constrict within this time range, and then we should expect at least one push or break to the upside or to the downside. Now, if we were to draw a time scale on this, as the apex point, it would be around 21 days. So apex point basically means if these two lines converges over. So again, pretty much you want to draw this in yourself, and there will be a precise date of time before you get the break, but pretty much I'm using this as the next step in getting a trade. So the way I'm looking at this is we have a downside move and also an upside move as well. So I'm going to give you my bias and exactly what I'm thinking. So what I'm looking at is either a downside move, and this is where I'm going to be looking to take a sell from, is if we get a break and closure from this zone here, so around 1910, and wait for that retest to test this level, and we could then look into price range of 1860 if it can push into that, and then obviously we can go further from there. But if for whatever reason price manages to break up into the upside region, look at around 1990 and wait for a retest of this level, and we can see if we can push higher. So ultimately my bias is for the longer term. So after this move, I want to see price make one more move to the upside, but I do believe price is able to make one push to the downside still, and it is due. Again, this is my personal opinion on the gold, but I'm going to give you both scenarios here because with wedge patterns, they do give a lot of confusion to the market, and I hope you can see that this is a typical consolidation pattern. And if you look at all of our analysis videos at any point, we do come across this pattern quite frequently. So again, keep this as a textbook trading pattern that you don't really want to have an ultimate bias here. You want to have a conservative trading approach. So this would be either the bottom zone or the top zone here, and you can pretty much get in at any point as long as you have your trading plan in secure, and you kind of know where you're going with your targets and your risk management plan. Okay, so that's all I'm going to look out for gold for this week. If there are any updates, I'll give you them all in the trading group, and also I'll give you another video as well just to update things moving forward. We do have a trading group as well. If you are new to this channel or you're a new trader, definitely go ahead and join that. The link is in the description below, so all the links are there. Feel free to check them out. Also, if you have a question as well, message us on our Instagram or our Telegram, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can, guys. So guys, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you guys all in the next one.